What if I told you there's an ETF that turned $10,000 into $85,000 in just 10 years? And no, I'm not talking about some sketchy penny stock or crypto gamble. I'm talking about a legitimate Fidelity ETF that you can buy right now in your brokerage account. Sound too good to be true? Stick with me because I'm about to show you the math. Look, VOO is solid. It's the S&P 500. It's safe, it's cheap, and millions of investors trust it. But here's what nobody tells you. While you're earning respectable returns with VOO, there are 3 Fidelity ETFs that have been quietly destroying its performance. I'm talking about one ETF that delivered a 751% return over the last decade, another that pays you 3% dividends while still growing 15.8% annually, and a third that barely flinched during the brutal 2022 crash. The crazy part? You can combine all 3 into one killer portfolio, no matter your age. Today, I'm breaking down the exact numbers, showing you real dollar amounts, and giving you age-specific strategies so you know exactly what to do whether you're 25, 45, or 65. Ready? Let's dive in. ETF number 1, the growth monster, the big reveal. First up, we have FTEC, the Fidelity MSCI Information Technology Index ETF. And when I say this thing has been crushing it, I mean crushing it. The numbers that'll blow your mind. Check this out. Over the last 10 years, FTEC delivered a 22.35% annualized return. Let me put that in perspective. While VOO was doing a solid 14% annually, which is great, don't get me wrong, FTEC was nearly doubling that performance. So what does that actually mean for your wallet? The real dollar impact. Remember that $10,000 I mentioned? If you had invested that in FTEC 10 years ago, you'd be sitting on roughly $85,000 today. That's not a hypothetical. That's real money. Your initial investment grew more than 7 times in a single decade. That's a 751% total return. And here's the kicker. You paid almost nothing for this performance. The expense ratio is just 0.08%. That's $8 per year for every $10,000 you invest. Basically pocket change. What are you actually buying? So what's inside this beast? FTEC tracks the technology sector. You're getting exposure to over 300 tech companies, Apple, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and all the players building the future. We're talking AI, cloud computing, semiconductors, all the stuff that's actually driving the economy forward. The reality check. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat this. Is tech volatile? Absolutely. When the market crashes, tech stocks usually get hit harder than everything else. But here's the thing. If you're young and you've got decades ahead of you, that volatility is actually your friend. It's what creates those massive long-term gains. This is your growth engine. This is how you build wealth.